Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Throughout this video, we are going to talk about OEB, so let's get started. Today our topic is Tier 1 Occupational Exposure Banding Process Part 1. The Tier 1 specialized criteria use hazard, expression, canon and orders of GH8, which over most dangerous chemical substances and give a introvert approach of communicative hazard related to chemical exposure. Under GHS, chemical substances are assigned standardized ACE canons and orders grounded on their known toxicological characteristics. UNECH 2015. Tier 1 relies on the use of this information of assigned OEBs. Brands A and B aren't assigned in Tier 1 because the data conditions for Tier 1 are fairly low. There isn't enough information or confidence in the GHS ACE canons in order to suggest the advanced exposure range of brands A and B for chemical substances banned in Tier 1. The convergent approach desires the reliability of allowing overexposures grounded on the limited data. Being used to develop a Tier 1 brand in order to get a more brand. Drugs should always do the Tier 2. The GHS ACE canons and orders assigned to a chemical substances of interest can be set up on a OSHA safety data distance SDS as a number of databases that address chemical safety. Every Thursday, we will post our OEB video content. If you are interested, you can subscribe our channel to stay with us. Like, share, comment in our channel will be inspire us to make videos more and more. Thanks for watching.